Winning hands down, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or conversations: win hands down. Understanding idioms like this can not only boost your English fluency but also help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning behind this expression. The phrase, win hands down, is an idiom used to describe a situation where someone wins very easily or with little to no effort. It implies that the victory was so certain that the winner didn't even have to put in much effort or struggle to achieve it. This expression can be used in various contexts, from sports and competitions to any life scenario where an easy victory is achieved. To truly appreciate an idiom, it helps to know where it comes from. The phrase, win hands down, has its roots in the world of horse racing. In the past, when a jockey was far ahead and certain to win, they could relax and lower their hands, easing the reins before crossing the finish line. This action indicated that the victory was so secure that there was no need to push the horse any harder. Hence winning, hands down. To help you integrate this idiom into your English, let's look at a few examples. Despite the tough competition, she won the debate hands down. Our team won hands down, with a score that left the other team in the dust. When it comes to baking the best chocolate cake, my grandmother wins hands down. These examples show that you can use win hands down in various situations to convey an effortless victory or superiority in a certain area. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, win hands down. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, understanding and using idioms can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and may you win your English learning journey hands down.